2 years ago, a radio telescope enthusiast named Irina Petrova, she noticed that there was a streak of infrared light from the sun to Venus. And that is now known as the Petrova line.
That's the dots?
They think so. They seem to be dimming the sun a tiny, teeny, weeny little bit.
So no big one.
It's a small whoop. It's a small to medium whoop. Right now, the best minds in the entire world are on it. So, I met an alien. I'm Grace. I'm gonna call you Rocky. And we're learning to communicate. We're here for the same reason. You have a Petrova line problem too. You need to solve it. I need to solve it. Look, see the numbers? No, they're on the other side. Do it again. Wow. Wow. And if I can't understand what he's saying, which is most of the time, he puts on a little puppet show for me and my tiny brain. And you know what? I don't mind it.
Hi, Grace.
You're in a ball. We have one mission.
Mission.
But we're two distinct individuals.
Individuals.
Both working on our distinct individual parts of that mission.
Mission.
We do this. Your version of this is our thumbs up. No, that's thumbs down. This is a one-way ticket for me, pal.
What?
We had enough astrophage to get here, but not enough to get back.
So, Grace die? Question?
Yeah, once we're done, I'm gonna die.
I can give. I go home 6 years slower.
That's too much.
Rocky watch crew die. Could not fix. Grace say Grace will die. Rocky fix.
You're out of touch, I'm out of time, but I'm out of my head when you're not around. You're out of touch, I'm out of time, but I'm out of my head when you're not around. Oh, 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 oh.
You are bravest human I have ever met.
Hey,
Is joke.
I know.
I only meet one human, and is you.
I get it. It's a good joke.
Good joke.
You're out of touch, I'm out of time, but I'm out of my head when you're not around. You're out of touch, I'm out of time, but I'm out of my head when you're not around. You're out of touch, for so long. I'm out of time, but I'm out of my head when you're not around. You're out of touch, I'm out of time, out of touch, out of time, out of touch, out of time, girl. Reach out for something to hold. I'm out of my head when you're not around. Too cold, out of touch, too cold, I'm out of time, cold, girl.
How do you say goodbye back home?
We don't. We do this.